Hey everyone. So for today's episode, we have a new toy, a new educational toy. The name of the brand is called Guidecraft, and it's a weight cylinder concept toy. The age group for this toy is 3 plus, and the whole idea behind the toy is to allow the child or benefit the child by focusing and concentrating on matching the weights correctly. So you have like different pairs of weights, and the pairs of weights need to be correctly matched and placed on the board. They also have a self-correction tool. You can see it in the bottom and also here. Once we open it as well, you'll see it. And this is a way so they can make sure that they're the correct pair. Also, the parents can use it or the teacher so that they can guide the child and, work with them to make sure they match everything correctly. Just to give you a quick, turn around the product before opening it. So this is how it looks like. The back looks like the front, but this is the whole idea behind the packaging from the outside. From the inside, this is, I don't know if I mentioned, this is my first time opening this, but this is a sample product. We know different people in the department use the toys, so I wasn't one of those that used this. But I have an idea about what it does. Okay, so this is the product itself. I'm gonna join in trying to match these. I think they're mixed up. I don't know. This one's heavier. So you start finding the correct match. Nope. Wait. I think it's this one. Okay, I got one right. So we put this here, and so on, so on. I'll do another one to. This one's heavy, for example. So I don't know. Maybe this one. Wait, no. Wait, I need to go back. I need to go back to the daycare. Okay, so it's these two. Anyway, the whole point of the toy is to match these weights properly, and using the back of the cylinders, you can make sure about if they're the same weight or not. For example, these two are a bit similar, but this one's a bit heavier. But this is just to help the child place them correctly. So that's pretty much it for this one. As mentioned, as a summary, the whole idea behind this product is to develop the focus and concentration of the child, help them match with different weights and teach them about different weights, and as well, it has a very tactile grip. And overall, it's for a 3 plus age group. So that's an overview for Guidecraft weight cylinders. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions, or you guys are looking for guidance in a particular type of educational toy, we have tons. We have different teams that can help out. And till next time, have a great day, and see you for the next episode.